Hello, fourth graders. You should have already finished this page, Chapter 1, Reader's Guide for the Hope Chest. So we're going to be going through the answers together. So let's go ahead and do that. This is number 1. After reading Chapter 1, spend 1 to 2 minutes for silent reflection. You can sketch, journal, or sit and think silently and use the space below. One thought that I had, and this is kind of more of a journal for me. In Chapter 1, I noticed how close Violet and her sister Chloe are, and it just made me really grateful for my family. And I think some of you know I have 6 sisters, and I'm really grateful for my six sisters. It's nice to have sisters who I can talk to. So Violet and Chloe's relationship reminded me of some of the relationships that I have with my sisters. Now, obviously, this is not the right answer, or it's not wrong either. It's just some thoughts. So go ahead, and you could have drawn a picture or did a little bit of a journal, one of those two. Okay, so your answer should be different from mine. Let's take a look at number 2. What was the gist of this chapter? What is this chapter mostly about? Remember, the gist is the main idea. So there actually is a right answer for this. The gist, oh darn it. The gist is Violet finds letters from her sister Chloe, which her mother has hidden from her. She learns about what Chloe is doing. Okay, so that's what all of Chapter 1 is about. So if you put something totally different, then go ahead and fix it. And if that's what you put, then great, nice job. Let's go ahead and go to number 3. What is the Hope Chest, and how do you know? The Hope Chest is a vehicle, or in other words, if you don't know what a vehicle is a car. And we know this, there's a lot of clues in Chapter 1 because Chloe describes in her letters how it got 2 flat tires. So if you put something different, then go ahead and fix it. And if you said it was a car, nice job. Make sure that you put how you know. Let's go ahead and go to number 4. What surprised you about what you read? And again, this is kind of similar to number 1. There's no right or wrong answer for this because there could be a lot of things in Chapter 1 that surprised you. One thing that surprised me, I was surprised that Chloe disobeyed her mother and father and ran away. I kind of thought that her father was going to do something to punish her, but Chloe just took off and disobeyed and read those letters. So that was one thing that surprised me. Again, there could be a lot of things that could have surprised you, and there's no right or wrong answer for this. All right. Nice job, fourth graders, reading and answering these questions.